Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to restore deleted posts on TikTok. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. Then next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings and privacy. It take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and look for activity center. Click on that. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to recently deleted. So it take you right here. Now, all the posts you have deleted so far on your TikTok is going to be found right here. Now, for you to restore any of the posts, what you need to do is to simply click on the post. So I'm going to click on the post. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on restore right here. Restore this post. People will be able to view and interact with it again. What you need to do is to simply click on restore. It's as simple as that. Successfully restored. So basically, this is how to restore deleted posts on TikTok. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.